What's up, guys? I'm here on Saturday trying to change my struts, my front struts on my Honda Fit. Got the baby jacked up. Um, this is a tip. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing because there's so many videos online that show you how to take the strut out. Basically, you loosen those two bolts, the big ones there. Make sure your ABS sensor is detached from here. Right, then the tip, really, this is the hardest part. This sway bar link here, removing this sway bar link, this is the hardest part. It's going to take you the longest, but okay. So this part here, what you're going to need, or the best way to go about it is, okay, once you so the tip of taking this sway bar link bolt out is getting a clamp on the back of it, right, and then get a 14mm ratchet here. You can keep tugging at that. That is the easiest way to get that out. You don't need to cut it off. You don't need to do nothing crazy. All right. So that's how you get it out. I've seen another way too. I mean, what I saw online was they put an Allen key in here. Hold on, let me get the other way is as you can see, you can put an Allen key in there. Okay, you can put an Allen key right in here. This is a number 5mm. Make sure it's seated well. You can put an Allen key in there, and then you can get a wrench and just wrench on that nut here. You know what I mean? That was another way, but trust me, the power you're gonna need to put on this thing, you're gonna need a ratchet. Yeah, like say for an example, if that nut wasn't out yet, right? You can hold it down, hold the sway bar link with the Allen key here, and then crank on it with your wrench. Crank on the bolt with your wrench. So that was another way of taking this out. You can do either or, right? You can try to crank on the Allen key, rotate that, and hold the wrench in place. Either way would work. You just need something to stabilize as you're going the opposite direction. But like I said, the power you're gonna need on this thing, you're gonna need the fastest way that I got to this was with this big boy here, and I have my clamp in the back there holding onto the bolt of the sway bar so it doesn't rotate, and I was just cranking away on that nut there. Like and subscribe if you like the tip on the front strut replacement. Comment down below what you think. Peace.